Hello everyone, are you ready? Let's start the show. Wow, today is another great value day. Come with us on a journey to the 100 years into the future, beyond the world of Superman. Episode 3.3 Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century Series A. 3. In this book, achieving the entry of humanity into the AI superhuman era and a new epoch of human-machine integration in the 21st century. The evolution from AI to AGI to ASI advances toward the AI human-machine integration new superhuman species. The new epoch of AI human-machine integration superhumans marks the beginning of human civilization's advance toward a superintelligent fusion organism, whose fundamental meaning lies not only in physiological evolution but in a holistic leap of the cognitive field and the structure of human civilization. Across multiple dimensions including brain-computer interfaces, embedded superintelligence, cyber bodies, and consciousness coordination, AI superhumans achieve a fundamental leap from enhanced humans to reconstructed humans. In this book, achieving the construction of space world cities and the space elevator in the 21st century is based on a super technological ecosystem, with a distributed floating relay space elevator replacing massive cables with a matrix of perpetual motion drones, becoming the main artery of the global Earth space economy. Achieving ocean world cities in the 21st century utilizes modular underwater habitats and unlimited clean energy to construct a future society of material abundance for human civilization. In this book, achieving the Rainbow Superhuman system in the 21st century, and achieving the Rainbow Superhuman holographic avatar function in the 21st century, raise human-computer interaction efficiency to a superhuman level. In this book, achieving a future human civilization with infinite clean energy in the 21st century, it is set forth that an era in which human civilization possesses infinite clean energy is arriving. Just like opening billions of doors of physics in the universe where behind each door lies inexhaustible treasure and knowledge. And looking ahead, the spread of infinite clean energy will bring immeasurable prospects for practical applications. In this book, achieving the future of humanity in the 21st century sleep pods, hibernation pods, medical pods, individual human life, supported by technologies such as sleep pods, medical pods, and hibernation pods. Individual human life enables human civilization to become a new form of human life that can be actively managed and indefinitely extended. Quickly search the entire internet for this mysterious book of hope, Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century. After reading it, you'll understand all the answers to the future. Please watch the next episode, Episode 3.4 Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century Series A. For even more shocking and exciting content, this episode is over.